Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Aquarius July the 21st to July the 23rd, no? So Aquarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. And I wanted to know na pwede naman po kayo magtanong kung hindi nyo po nakikita o hindi nyo naaabutan ang live sessions. Magtanong po kayo dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Aquarius, this reading is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No, simula na tayo. Ang nakikita ko dito parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo ay napaka-imposible namang mangyari, no? The more na lalong tumatagal itong observation mo, no? Probably sa relationship na ito, the more na mas lalo kang nagiging confused, no? Nawawala yung sinasabi nating kumpiyansa, no? Yung ating tiwala sa relationship. I feel like nagawa mo naman din maging assertive dito sa relationship na to a point na parang ipinakita mo naman lahat, no? That you are a good person, no? That you are a trustworthy person, pero bakit parang your efforts were not still enough, para ma-experience itong relationship to na gusto mong ma-experience, no? Actually, madami kang iniisip lately. How can I make my person believe that I am serious in this connection? How can I make him emotionally, stable that he can or she can trust me, no? Parang sa'yo, parang na uubusan ka na ng tricks, no, sa iyong bag. Sabi mo kasi dito, bakit parang kulang pa din yung aking mga ginagawa? Kailan ko ba matitikman itong tamis ng relationship, no, with me and my person? The Prince of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, kasi parang feeling mo napaka-stagnant, no, ng relationship ninyo with the Ace of Pentacles in here. Kahit ang dami mo nang nagawa, hindi sa nanunumpat tayo, di ba? Aquarius. Kumbaga, meron din naman tayong actually, mas madami pa nga tayong na ibigay. Maybe not materially, but our time, energy, effort, no? The Love, Prince of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the King of Swords. Tapos kapag medyo dumating dun sa part na humihingi tayo ng kaunting time, medyo naiinis pa, nagagalit pa. So medyo masakit kapag nakakarinig tayo ng hindi maganda. Prince of Swords. Prince of Pentacles. So this is the stagnation part. The Lovers and the Justice. So parang sinasabi naman dito ng energy, it doesn't matter na, it doesn't mean na porque hindi mo nakukuha ang romance, ang love na hinihingi mo is hindi ka mahal ni person. There's actually emotion in here. Pero lately, medyo mainit din ang ulo ni person. The Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. I feel like meron talagang pinagdadaanan din si person dito that is actually personal. I believe that your person is a bit stressed. I'm actually seeing angel number 444. Let's see some more, no? The Judgment, the Ten of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Hanged One, and the Prince of Swords. Actually, parehas kayo ng level ng stress ni person. You are stressing the relationship. They are stressing about how I can gather an abundance. And I believe that this is literally money. I believe that your person is having some financial issues as of the moment. Um, I think that your person here is being triggered. There's actually some push na medyo hindi lang maganda kasi parang ikaw yung nagiging outlet, no, ng kanyang kasungitan. Siguro sa trabaho, madaming, stress. Syempre, hindi naman siya pwedeng makapagwala, no? Let's say, they need to be professional. Um, Dumadating yung time siguro na if your person's fed up, I'm not making an excuse, I'm just explaining. No? I'm not making an excuse for them. I want you to know Aquarius. But I just want you to understand where they're coming from. No? Um, you may take the explanation, you may not. That's actually your prerogative. No? Pero ang nakikita natin dito medyo, yun nga, they need to be professionals. Tao lang din naman yan. Hindi naman yan robot na oo lang ng oo. So may emotion. No, medyo fed up sila. Ngayon, bit-bit nila yung pauwi. So kapag ikaw na nagtanong, sa'yo na ilalabas. That's actually unfair. No. You may understand them, you may not. With the Ten of Swords, the Strength card, and the Two of Cups. So they feel like at this very moment, I think that this is just a pace. Don't take it personally. But they feel like relationship for now is parang sabihin natin, ano yung tawag din, bird nakakabigat sa kanila. Either of the stress level kasi, kumbaga, iniisip ko pa. Ang masakit kasi dito, parang, bakit hindi ako ang priority? No? With the Nine of Swords, the Empress, and the Devil card. Siguro minimal dito yung third party situation kasi the Devil card showed up. I believe that the person who's parang masungit or your person is sabihin natin medyo na-attract dun sa Empress. Actually, chances are, ang tawag dito yung lumapit ka, yung parang natawag siniseduce, no? The Princess of Swords. Pero alam pa rin kasi ni person. So I think that the person here is confused, no? Should I give way to my emotion? Or should I give way to my logic, to my head, or my other head, no? Doon sa mga third-party situation. Pero still, I feel like alam nila kung sino nagmamay-ari ng puso nila. Medyo nako-confuse lang sila kasi nga may halong seduction, no? For a few numbers of you, they might be seducted. It may not be a person, but I feel like this is work. Mag-ibang lugar, mag-ibang bansa, mag-ibang company, pero they are considering you, so they feel like this is a burden for them. But one thing's for sure, again, this is just a pace in their life na parang sinasabi natin na medyo they're juggling, no? Should I invest more? Because they feel like the relationship is a blockage, a hindrance, a challenge for them at this current moment. Now that depends on your reaction, no? If you wanted to put the connection um, on pause. Wala naman din kasing tamang sagot dito. If you're gonna put the connection on pause and let them have their me time, that would help for them to finalize this decision making, um, and for you to also have boundaries not to see yung mga kasungitan nila, or if you want to continue being beside them during the journey, I believe that we should stop being a bit of taking everything personal at this current moment kasi medyo things are weighing down, no? So let's see here, either your emotion or your person's emotion. Our love will never cease to exist. And do you love the way I love you? I think that this is your emotion. Magkaparehas ba tayo ng emotional level when it comes to sa pagmamahal dito na, sa pag-i-invest ng emotion dito sa relationship, right? This is one of the question that probably panghabang buhay din ba ito, no? You might be in a confusing, situation right now. Pwede din naman na pwede ka magstay, to fight kung nandun ka sa third party situation, not fight na makapaggerahan, but also to, prove to them that you are the right person for them. One thing's for sure, divided ang attention ni person ngayon. So, Aquarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, did I just say Leo? Right. So yeah, that is your reading, Aquarius. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa live sessions, dun din po sa Babaylan TV. Kung hindi po nyo maabutan ng live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box na po yung link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, ng inyong, ng question form, how much per question. Read carefully, basahin hanggang baba, if you're interested, the number, the amount, the QR codes, the names that you can compare for reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Aquarius.